Alright, so number 5 is one of these error analysis kind of questions where they want you to take a look at someone else's work and figure out their mistake. So it's almost kind of like we're going to be the teacher, we're grading someone's paper, and we want to figure out where they went wrong. Well, it would probably start, it would be best to start by knowing, what the answer actually should be. So we're going to solve it ourselves first. We're going to kind of forget that that's not there. Let's solve it ourselves first, and then we can hopefully try to figure out what the mistake is. So I'm going to kind of work it next to theirs. They've got 5 times y plus 2 is less than 3y plus 34. Well, the first thing that I always do here is I eliminate parentheses by distributing. So I've got some parentheses, so I'm going to distribute that out, and I end up with 5y plus 10 is less than 3y plus 34. And then if I compare what they did and what I have, that looks good so far. Now, the next thing I need to do, or at least I check for, is I check to see if I can combine any like terms. Well, 5y and 3y, I can't combine those, though, because you know what? They're not on the same side. The inequality symbol is kind of what divides or splits this into 2 different sections. So 5y is on the left, 3y is on the right. So what I cannot do is I cannot combine like terms. What I need to do is I need to move all the variables over to the same side. It doesn't matter which way you move it. I kind of move everything to the left. So I would subtract 3y from both sides. And I get 2y plus 10 is less than 34. And then I want to see what mistake they made, or at least did they make a mistake. Oh, you know what? They have 8y, and it should be 2y. So let's think about what they did. I subtracted 3y from both sides to get 2y. Okay, you know what? 5y plus 3y is 8y, so I'm thinking that that's what they did. So the mistake there would have been is that they added 5y and 3y instead of subtracting. Now I still want to go ahead and finish this problem off to solve it. So we found out what the mistake was. Now we just want to finish it off. So let's subtract 10 from both sides. So I get 2y equals 24. And divide both sides by 2. And then we should get y is less than 12. Y is less than 12. Which they got y less than 3, but we know what the mistake that they made. Alright, so go ahead and try number 5 on the right. Remember, try it first yourself, come up with the answer, and then try to figure out where they went wrong. Alright, so let's look at number 5 on the right. Should have got y greater than negative 2. And I'll let you kind of figure out what the mistake was on that. But should have got y greater than negative 2. Alright, so that finishes up number 5. Let's move on to number 6, halfway there.